Understanding Happy Mother's Day, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that holds a lot of emotion and meaning. Happy Mother's Day. This video is designed to help English language learners understand the significance behind this phrase and how to use it. So, let's get started. Mother's Day is a celebration honoring mothers, motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is observed in various forms across the world, typically in March or May. On this day, people express their gratitude and appreciation towards their mothers and mother figures through gifts, cards, and verbal expressions, one of the most common being, Happy Mother's Day. The phrase, Happy Mother's Day, is a way to wish joy and happiness to someone on Mother's Day. It's a concise yet powerful expression that conveys respect, love, and appreciation. Saying this to your mother or a mother figure is a sign of acknowledging her efforts, sacrifices, and unconditional love. When to use it? On Mother's Day. This is the specific day when the phrase is used, usually in the morning or when you first see the mother figure on this day. In a greeting card, it's common to write, Happy Mother's Day, in a card, followed by a personal message. How to use it? Verbally. Simply saying, Happy Mother's Day, Mom, is a straightforward way to use the phrase. In writing, whether in a card, a letter, or a social media post, you can start your message with, Happy Mother's Day, to set the tone of appreciation. Understanding the cultural background of Mother's Day enhances the meaning of Happy Mother's Day. This day is not just about individual mothers but also reflects societal recognition of the vital role mothers play. It's a day filled with emotions, where families come together to celebrate and thank the matriarchs in their lives. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, Happy Mother's Day, and the profound affection and gratitude it conveys. Remember, it's more than just words, it's a celebration of the incredible impact mothers have on our lives. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers watching, and thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in our next video.